Hey folks, if you're dealing with the annoying matchmaking error 1 or getting hit with the error code match.session_unavailable.402 in Fortnite, no need to panic. It's a breeze to fix, and in today's video, I'll walk you through it. So without dragging it out, let's dive right into the solutions. Solution 1. First, reset your network configuration settings. To do this, first click on the search icon and type in CMD. Next, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now here, type netsh winsock reset, then hit Enter. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. After that, type in ipconfig/release and hit Enter. Now type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Next, type in netsh intip reset and hit Enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, restart your computer and your router. Then check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Use an optimized DNS server. To do this, open up Command Prompt again. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 here and press Enter. This will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. Next, type ping 8.8.8.8 and press Enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. After you find out which DNS server has the lowest ping, just go to Settings and click on Network and Internet. Then click on Ethernet. And click on the Edit button next to the DNS server assignment. Now select Manual from here. And then turn on IPv4 if it's turned off. Now on the Preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to Alternate DNS. Here type 1.0.0.1 if you're using 1.1.1.1 DNS server. But if you're using 8.8.8.8, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click Save. Now check if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Switch your game server. To do this, open Fortnite. Then click on the profile icon here. Now click on the settings icon here and then click on Settings. Next, switch to the Game tab. Then click on this arrow to change the game server. Now just click on any server other than the one you are playing on and click Apply. Next, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 4. Disconnect from VPN. To do this, open up Settings. Then click on Network and Internet. Next, click on VPN. Then click on the Disconnect button here. And you should fix the matchmaking error 1. So guys, that's how you troubleshoot the matchmaking error 1 in Fortnite on your PC. If the video helped you solve the problem, smash that like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.